In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find your niche on YouTube so that you can make most amount of money. Hey guys, my name is Saurabh, and in today's video, we are going to talk about finding a niche for yourself on YouTube. You may be wondering what a niche means, but it's simple, really. It just refers to the type of content you want to create on YouTube, whether that be vlogs, it could be product reviews, it could be trainings, etc. It may sound hard at first, but once I teach you my 3P formula for finding a niche, you will know exactly where your video should go. So I'll be covering 5 parts in this video. I'll be telling you about what is a niche, what are different types of niche, how to choose a niche, how to niche down in a particular niche, and finally I'll be telling you my 3P niche formula. So without a further ado, let's jump right into it. So let's first talk about what exactly is a niche. Basically, niche is kind of content you want to create in a particular genre, where there are different categories in which you can make videos. It could be tech related videos, that's a genre. It could be health related, that's a genre. It could be on wealth, make money online, that's a genre. These are the different main categories in which you can make videos. And then comes the subgenre, which includes let's say you're talking about health, then the subgenre in health niche could be weight loss for men, weight loss for women, intermittent fasting, how to lose weight with keto diet. So these are the different subcategories inside the broader category of health. So that is how niche is defined. That is what niche is. Now let me show you what are the different types of niche. So as I said, let me just move myself away from here. Health and fitness, gaming, cooking, business, technology, makeup and beauty. So these are some of the different kind of niche. It could be anything of your choice. So there is a content out there. So I hope by now you get the general idea of what exactly is a niche and what are different kinds of niche. Now we will come to the part of how to choose a niche for yourself. What all factors we have to keep in mind when choosing a niche for yourself. So let me just move myself. Okay. So it depends on your business model for choosing a niche and the type of channel you want to create. So the business model for finding a niche, it could be whether you want to make money using YouTube ads, whether you want to make money using affiliate marketing, whether you want to make money selling your own courses. So once you define your business model for your channel, then for that particular these different categories, there are different revenue based streams. So if you're just focusing on YouTube ads, then you have to plan your content in a different way. If you're just focusing on affiliate marketing, then you have to plan it a different way. And similarly for selling your courses. And the other category for choosing a niche is finding the type of channel you want to create for yourself. So whether you want to create a personal branded channel where you are showing yourself on camera like I am doing right now, whether you want to create a faceless channel. These are very popular these days, where if you want to remain hidden from the outside world, then you can just create faceless videos. You can just use voiceover and use stock footages, or you want to do some tutorial, you can do that. The third kind of channel could be education focused, and the fourth one is entertainment focused. So you have to find out what you want to do, and then accordingly you can see whether that niche is popular or not, and whether you're going to make profit in that particular niche or not. So that's about choosing a niche. You have to define your business model and the type of channel, and accordingly you can choose a niche for yourself. Okay, and moving on to the next part, which is niche down. What does that mean? Why we have to niche down? Well, by niching down I means, as I said, if you're talking about health category, there are different subcategories. If you try to position yourself, if you try to make videos yourself in health category, you will have a lot of competition out there. And these are the factors which I have listed over here, which are you have to keep in mind, and then you have to drill down in that particular niche. The first one is noisy YouTube. What that means is that YouTube is very noisy, that there are so many content out there. If you just pick up a broader category like health or wealth or relationship, it will be hard for you to find success, because there are a lot many big players are already in that category. But that doesn't mean you cannot succeed in that, but that's a different topic. The second thing, once you niche down, that is going to help you is with YouTube algorithm is going to like you. If you create a channel talking about how to lose weight using intermittent fasting, using keto diet, how to make money using YouTube, see, you are just niching down yourself in a particular subcategory, which is very important. And if you create content with that kind of niche down, that is going to like by the YouTube algorithms as well. The other benefit of niching down is that you can remain focused, that you know what you have to do. If you're just talking about the broader category of, let's say, make money online, there could be like 1,000 type of content you can create. But if you just niche down, then you can remain focused and you can educate your viewers about that particular topic which you're creating videos on, and that will help you to grow faster. And that's what I said, secret to scale up. Niching down is the secret to scale up. If you create content on a particular subtopic, you will have better chance of getting a ranking as well on YouTube for those particular keywords, and it will be beneficial for you overall. So this is about niching down. And now let me tell you my secret 3P formula that is going to help you to find the niche for yourself. So the first P is passion. What that means, you should try to create a content, a YouTube channel around something which you're passionate about. The second thing which you have to keep in mind is proficiency, which means that you should have some sort of result in that particular passion of yours. Let me give you an example. I have a passion, I have a hobby for playing guitars, okay, but I'm not good at it, I'm okay at it. And then you have to think like, okay, that's my hobby, that's my passion, playing guitars. But then you have to think like, are you proficient in it? Can you teach that to someone? Do you have some sort of result, or something in that particular category? If the answer is no, then you should skip that particular topic, because that is not going to give you benefit. The third P, which is related to profit, which means whether you can actually make money using that particular niche, or the hobby or the passion which you have. If the answer is no, then that means it's just a hobby for you. You should not consider it being your niche on YouTube. So again, it should be the combination of all the three. You should have passion for that particular topic. You should have some kind of proficiency. I'm not saying you need to be an expert in that. It could be that you are working in a day job, 9 to 5. You have some skills. It could be some skills with PowerPoint presentations, Microsoft Excel. It could be project management. It could be anything. You have that skill, you have some results in your day job with that, so that can be considered as a niche for yourself. You can create your content around that particular topic, and then you have to think how it can be profitable, whether there are some affiliate products you can promote, you can find and promote and on that particular topic, or whether you want to create your own courses around on that particular topic. So these are the things which you have to keep in mind when you try to find a niche for yourself. And if you keep these factors in mind, uh, this is going to help you in the longer run, and this is going to help you to succeed with YouTube. So guys, for all you people out there, I've also got my 10 faceless niches, which I'm going to link down below in the description. You can click on that link, and you just have to enter your name and email address to access those niches. And then you can think like whether those are going to be beneficial for you, and whether you can start creating content on those niches, faceless niches, which I'm going to give you. They're tried and tested. There are a lot many people who are getting huge success, and in some of the niches I'm also making content, some faceless content, and I'm also getting success in those. You can check them out by clicking the link in the description. And I hope you got some value out of this video and you're more clear about finding your niche for yourself. If you have any doubts, any questions, feel free to let me know in the comments down below. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you again in the next video. Cheers.